Power fast food, my favorite place.
Hi everyone. In my head, I wanted to start vlogging before we came.
Who are you talking to?
My audience.
What audience? It's a phone.
I'm vlogging.
Oh.
In my head, I wanted to start vlogging earlier today and show you
Your
what we
head
got for
failed
breakfast. My head failed me. We came to Plant Power in Redlands, and I got the breakfast burrito in a bowl, and it was fucking delicious. Sausage, egg, tofu, or I guess it's maybe the same thing, cheese, more sausage and hash browns, and spinach at the bottom. So bomb. Enjoy, got.
I am childish, and growing up, my favorite thing from Mickey D's was a 50-piece nugget with sweet and sour sauce and barbecue sauce. But thanks to Plant Power fast food, I can live out my childish dreams. So I got it. Was it 18-piece nugget?
16.
Oh, 16-piece nugget. Wish it was 18 with barbecue sauce and some fries. I also got a chocolate chip cookie that I'm gonna have in a little bit. Yeah.
And now we are on our way to Thermal Springs, I think is what it's called. We're going to the BMW Performance Center, which is out there. It's about an hour from here, and we're gonna go ride some new BMWs for International Women's Day. They invited us. We're so happy.
We're so happy we're women. We're so happy to be women.
And we're gonna be driving fast cars.
Grasshopper?
I don't know what it is. They're tiny and cute.
Yes.
We will name him Roger.
Roger.
Roger, I think you should be free now. Come on, Roger.
We are going to test drive out our new BMW race cars that we're about to purchase. So they're letting us come here and test drive.
What is this? What did they give you?
My gloves, because for my new car I'm gonna need the race gloves. And look at the racetrack. I have no idea what to expect.
The gap of traffic out there, so we're going to roll onto the back street. Hey, once we get into our rotation, this is where we'll do them here, but we won't be into those rotations for a couple laps yet. Radius will be outside edge.
So apparently there's someone here with the dog inside the car. Why? Why bring your dog to this? And if you are going to bring him or her to this, maybe leave it at the Performance Center? With all the braking we're going to be doing, I would not have my dog.
I just picture a dog flying through the windshield.
Every corner here, every time you can. It's a little too tight, I will slow us down and get our spacing back. Get lost in translation when you're the third or fourth car in line. What we're going to do...
We're now in the second course.
But the idea of the winner, Leslie, you're
What's going to happen right now?
It's a drag race and I'm going to win.
So we, in the SUV, are racing her in the SUV.
Ready? Go! My driver's at the line. Are we ready? Go!
So right now we're doing a drag race and we have to race the car across from us. So far we lost the first one, but so did the other group, so it's okay.
Oh, is that bad?
BMW, as soon as you come out with vegan leather, I'm in.
You ready, girlfriend?
Nervous?
Go!
Go! Go! Go! Come on!
Okay, I'll get it the second time.
Yeah.
But no, it would be sad.
Yep. You got this. Go! Kill it! Go, 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 go! I believe in you. Smoked! Smoked! Yeah. Period.
Say
Right now, we are gonna go on a hot lap.
Did everyone have their seatbelts on?
Yes, with Brian. Joy, what just happened?
That was wild.
We got on that thing, and that thing.
It was like a roller coaster.
I don't know if that's called driving.
I pictured myself flipping in the car.
That
and
was crazy.
being on the
Like,
news.
picture Baby Driver, but like twice as bad. Now we are off to the timed laps.
You're killing it.
That was still a long time. It's someone did 21. I'm gonna do the champagne toast now, and then we're gonna head out and find somewhere to eat dinner. What are you trying to do? Tippy toe? Joy pose?
Yeah, why not?
How do you do it? Like this? We finally made it to Madre Tierra in Upland. We are so excited. We're gonna eat all the food. Joy doesn't even wait for me. Jesus. Okay, so we just ordered the loaded nachos, the coconut shrimp tacos, and from the sushi menu, we ordered the popcorn sushi roll, which is popcorn, shrimp, crab, avocado, cucumber, eel sauce, spicy mayo, and the El Pelon roll, which is crunchy onions, shrimp tempura, cucumber, crab, spicy mayo, eel sauce, avocado. 100% vegan, of course. I had not even heard of this place. How did you find it?
When I was dating a fuckboy once upon a time ago, I remember looking upon this place, and I was like, but it's out of the way, and I wanted to eat here so bad, and here I am. With a person who's not a fuckboy.
Very true. I am not a fuckboy. We did some damage.
I'm still going. I'm just taking a little tummy break.
I want to snuggle. Bye.
Peace out.
See you next time.
See you next time on our next adventure with adventuring with two vegan babes.